Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Practice Code. So, hi coders, we want to learn something other than the coding. So, yeah, today we are going to take you to the tour of Adobe Photoshop. Yes, in which we are going to tell you about the basic tools of the Photoshop, that how they work. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, first of all, we have to create a new document, or you can say file. So, go to create new, or you can press Ctrl plus N. So, yeah, then you have to select the resolutions and all. I'm selecting 1280 and 720 pixels. Yeah, so you can see that we have created a canvas. So, I'm taking this image. Yeah, so we are taking this image as a sample today. So let's get started. So first tool is our move tool, that if we want to move a layer, then we can use this tool. So the main purpose of this tool is to move the objects, or you can say the layers. Yes, so first of all you have to select the layer you want to move, and then boom, you just have to click on the layer and yeah, drag it. As you can see here, I am able to move the layer. So the next tool is marquee tool. Yes, this is also the main tool for the geometric selections. As you can see here, I can select here the portion of the layer using this rectangular marquee tool. Yes, remember, this is rectangular marquee tool, that's why it's making the rectangular selection. So you can see here I have selected this area, and whatever I want to do, I can do with this selection. First of all, if I want to select this portion and cut out this portion, I can do this. So as you can see here, I have cut out that portion. So the main purpose of the marquee tool is to make the selections. So the other tool is the lasso tool. This is also the tool which is used for the rough selections. You can make these selections by your own. Just have to click on the layer and you just have to draw. Yeah, and similarly, if I want to cut out the selection, I can. So you can see you can use these tools very simply, but what you want, you just have to focus on the work, and you just need the imagination of your own. Everyone knows that how to use Photoshop, everyone can learn that how to use Photoshop, but the main thing is that how you work with this, how you imagine how to work, how to put on your creativity in your project. So moving to the next tool, yeah, this is magic wand tool. This is really helpful tool if you want to select the portion with the same color code. Yes, as you can see here, if I selected here, it has selected the portion which is continuous and having the same color. As you can see here, I have selected the white color. So every portion which consists of white color and is continuous has been selected. So if I want to cut out this portion, I can. Sorry, it is not visible for you. First of all, I have to change the color of the background so that it is visible. Color overlay. So yeah, now it is visible. Wait for a while, I will do it again. So selecting this tool, magic band tool, selecting this portion and making the mask of it. Boom, as you can see here, I have selected that portion which has same color as well as is continuous. So These are basically the selection tools, and also it also have the another tool, quick selection tool. Yeah, so the same functionality it provides. You just have to click and drag whatever you want to select. That's why it is known as quick selection, because you can select the portions quickly. So if I want to select this logo only, so I can. Wait, this. If I don't want the colors outside this logo, I can cut out this. As you can see here, I have cut that out. So the marquee tool, the lasso tool, the magic fan tool, and quick selection tool are the selection tools. They are just used to select the portions that has to be cut out. So deleting this selection, delete. So now the next tool is crop tool. So as you all are familiar with this name, crop. So what does cropping means? You just have to select the portion of your layer, not of your layer, of your canvas. Yes, if I don't want this logo, I just want this name, so I can crop this and just have to press enter. Boom, everything has gone. So as you are familiar with this tool, you can see the result here. So this tool is not that much used. The next tool is eyedropper tool. Yes, this tool is very important. So as you can see here, you can select any color from the layer. Orange color, red color, purple color, blue color, green color, white color, yellow color. So basically the eyedropper tool is used to select the color from your canvas. It doesn't matter that how many layers are there, and you can say that you can select the color from any layer. It doesn't matter that you just have to select this layer and then you can select the color from that layer. No, you have, if you want to select the layer which is visible in your canvas, you can. As you can see here, this color is of background, but I can select this color. I am able to select this color. So the main purpose of the eyedropper tool is to select the color from your canvas, to select the color from your layers. So moving to the next tool, the patch tool. This is a really important tool, and it also helps to remove the, you can say that, remove pimples, acne, or you can say refining the skin in the image. So you don't, I know that you are not getting it. I'll show you. So if I want to remove this logo, I can remove this logo from this layer. I just have to make the rough selection from there, and I have to drag there from this side to, from this side to, and from this side to, wait, as you can see here, the logo has gone. So I think that you got it, that how patch tool works. It basically replaces the selection from the dragged portion. Suppose I don't want sample in this text, I can remove this sample text. I just have to select this text. I can adjust the selection from using arrow keys, and just have to select and drag the selection to the desired position. And yeah, you can see here the text before copyright has gone. So moving back to our main layer. Yeah, so the next tool is brush tool. I can say that this tool is really important, and I will make another video for this tool because this tool is really important and has many uses, and as well as this has really vast concept of itself. So I will show you in I will explain this tool in another video in detail, but at a glance I will only tell you that the brush tool is simply a brush you can use on your layers. As you can see here, I have selected the color. Suppose as I want to select the red color, yes, and want to paint on the layer, I can. So basically brush tool is used to paint on the layers. So moving to the next tool, the clone stamp tool. As you know that, what does a clone mean? Clone means the copy. Yes, the copy. So you can make a copy of an object and can place it to your layer. Wait. I will select and I will place here. As you can see here, I made the copy of this layer and have copied it next to it. So the main purpose of clone tool is just to make the copies of the existing objects in the layers. So moving to the next tool, art history brush tool. I will explain this along with the brush tool in the another video. So moving to the next tool, brush tool. No, sorry, this is eraser tool. So as you can get this from its name, the eraser tool, that is, it is an eraser simply used to erase objects. As you can see here, I have erased that portion. If I want to erase this, I can erase this. If I want to erase this too, I want this too, I can erase. So what is the main purpose of eraser tool? So you can erase everything that you want to erase, but this is a destructive way. I will not suggest you to use eraser tool. I will suggest you to use the masking. I know that I haven't discussed this topic with you, but I will let you know that what is masking in my further videos. So wait for a while. I will share the video for masking too, but I will suggest you to use the masking rather than using eraser tool. So moving to the next tool, first of all I will bring it back. Yeah, so the next tool is the paint bucket tool. So what does this mean? That I can paint on a layer. If I want to paint this layer with, suppose, this color, orange color, I can. I just have to pick color from whatever I want, or I just have to, or I can select the color from this and just have to click on the layer, and boom, you can see the color that I have selected has been put on that layer. So the main purpose of this tool, the paint bucket tool, is to put on the color on any layer you want. So moving to the next tool, smudge tool. sorry to say that smudge tool and burn tool are not used frequently, so I will not discuss these two tools in this video. Pen tool is really important tool. I will definitely make a different video for this tool, and I will let you know that how can you make vector images in Adobe Photoshop. Yes, you are able to make illustrations in Adobe Photoshop too using pen tool, but the requirement is you have to be mastered in pen tool. You have to know that how the pen tool works. So moving to the next tool, the text tool. So using text tool, you can add the text to your layer. As you can see here, I have selected my upper layer and I want to add up the text practice code. You can change the color from there, and I have selected white color and want to make it big. So as you can see here, I have added the text to my layer. So you all know that this is a very basic tool, but it's my duty to let you know that how the tools works. So delete this layer and moving to the next tool, which my system has. So this is the tool to draw the geometric shapes. Yes, as you can see here, I have selected ellipse tool. I am able to draw a ellipse. If I want to make a polygon, I can make a polygon. And if I want to draw any other image, custom shape tools, Adobe Photoshop has their own custom shapes, so I'm able to make them too. So next tool, and very important tool, the hand tool. As you can see here, if you want to move your canvas when you are zoomed in or zoomed out, you can use this tool, because first of all I have to let you know that what is zoom tool, then only you can understand hand tool. So if I'm zooming in and want to go to the another part without moving this layer, because if I use this, you can see here the layer is moving, but I want to move throughout the canvas. So how can I move? As you can see here, the layer is moving, but using hand tool, first of all I'm zooming in, you can use this tool to move your canvas. Suppose I'm zooming in this much and want to go below, want to go left, want to go right, want to go up, I'm able to go. So it is really helpful tool when you want to traverse to your layer when you are zoomed in. So now I will share the shortcut keys to these tools. So for the move tool, you can use V. For using lasso tool, you can use L. For using marquee tool, you can use M. For crop tool, you can use C. For pen tool, you can use P. For brush tool, you can use B. For clone stamp tool, you can use S. And for the selection tools, yes, the quick selection tool, you can use W. And you can switch among magic wand tool and quick selection tool using shift plus W. Yeah, as you can see here, they are shifting. Yes, they are swapping with each other. If I want to use quick selection tool, I will press shift plus W, and if I want to go back to the magic pen tool, I will press again shift plus W. So I have told you the shortcut key for move tool, the marquee tool, for lasso tool, for the selection tool, and for crop tool. For eyedropper tool, you can use eye. As you can see here that they are mentioning the shortcut keys along with their names. So for patch tool you can use I, for patch tools you can use J, for eyedropper you can use I, and so on. For eraser you can use E, for paint bucket tool you can use G, for text tool you can use T, for custom shapes you can use U, hand tool spacebar. Yes, using spacebar and holding the spacebar you can use the hand tool. It is very handy, and it is frequently used when you are zoomed in, so I will prefer you to get familiar with the shortcuts. So last one is zoom tool, and the shortcut is Z. As you can see here, I have pressed Z key and clicking to zoom in. But what if I want to zoom out? You just have to hold Z plus Alt and just click, and boom, you are zooming out. So in this video I have discussed the basic tools of the Adobe Photoshop with you guys, and yeah, I want to end up with this session. So if you like this video, press this like button and subscribe to our channel, and if you really found this video helpful, please let us know in the comment section, and if you think that your friend need this video, please share this video. So bye bye, I will meet you in my next video.